What's going on YouTube? This is Lewis of the Way It Kicks channel, and the sneaker we're going to be reviewing today, I mean, you already know it by the title of this video, but I was actually completely passed on these. I didn't necessarily want them when I originally saw them and they released and all that, and then for whatever reason I started to like them, you know, and part of that is because I find it hard to pass up on anything Jordan 1, because Jordan 1 is my favorite. In any case, the label here reads Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG Dark Powder Blue and Dark Powder Blue. Huh, interesting. Now I got these for, and shout out to my guy, Mr. Think I'm Possible once again, who's coined the phrase juicy deal. I got these from Woodstack, $160 out the door, you know what I'm saying? Way under retail there. Now the box itself, come on man, like this is a little bit lazy. I get it that these are the lost and found UNCs and all that good stuff, you know what I mean? But listen, all you did was reverse the color blocking of the lost and found Chicago box, and boom, there you have it, you know. You know what, whatever. We don't wear the box, we wear the shoes. And let's go ahead and pull these bad boys out, and here you go. Man, look at the way they show up on camera. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo. The UNC Jordan 1 Lost and Founds. Now look, to some of my friends, I said to them, these are, we got UNC off-whites at home, because if you look at the color, it is pretty much darn near identical to the UNC off-white color that they have on there. You know what I mean? A lot of times, you know, Nike will say certain names of colors and stuff like that, and they'll be somewhat a shade lighter or darker, you know what I mean? But these are damn near a spitting image of them, but obviously they're not the off-whites. In any case though, you see that vibrant UNC blue. You got two sets of laces here. You got white laces plus UNC blue laces. You got this crackled leather here in the toe, the side panel, and around the collar, just like the Chicago Lost and Founds. The swoosh itself is also UNC blue. That Wings logo is white, as you can see. The midsole is aged. The outsole is that powdered blue, and look, they aged it as well, giving it that, you know, kind of powdered effect there on the bottom. Inside the sock liner, it's all blue in there. We have a white insole foot pad, and then Nike Air with the swoosh in that powder blue as well. Let me go ahead and pull out the other shoe. Now the tongue itself is somewhat yellowed, you know what I mean? And the tongue tag, right, is white with Nike Air and the swoosh there in blue as well. And listen, I have, again, it's very hard for me to pass up on Jordan 1s, and look at the way these look. Now I'm gonna go ahead and throw these bad boys on feet, but y'all gotta let me know how you actually feel about these now that some time has passed. I know I'm just now dropping the review, but time is the most precious thing we have out there, and I finally have gotten the time to go ahead and give you guys a review on these. But again, let me throw these on feet and then we'll close out the video. Now, when I first was gonna go ahead and lace these up, I thought I was going to like the white laces a lot more, but man, it's actually a little close for me, even with these powdered blue laces in there. I didn't realize I was gonna like the way this looked with the blue laces as much as I did, but hey, you know what? I'll decide at some point what I'm gonna go with, but let me know down there in the comment section below what you like better, the white laces or the blue laces. One more thing though, because shout out to my guy G Fish. You know, he's a longtime viewer there of the One Pair at a Time podcast channel. He coined this phrase, Nike hit you with that baking powder. And what does that mean? Look at this. And look at this. Yeah. This here is the UNC Lost and Found box, and this here is the Rare Air lid to the box. And you see how close they actually are. They just said, yeah, just, you know, throw a little more ashiness here to that Rare Air lid. Just something I noticed I wanted to point out. I'm not necessarily complaining because like I said, man, we don't wear the box, we wear our kicks. And in any case, please make sure you go ahead and smash the subscriber button if you have not yet done so already, and click that notification bell so you can be notified every time I drop one of these videos. This is Lewis of the Wear Your Kicks channel, reminding you to be true, stay in the moment, and don't forget, every day is a great day to wear your kicks.